Good morning. Morning, campers. It is, Wednesday the 10th of September, 9:10 a.m. We fly to Morocco today. Into Africa. Never been to Africa. It's my first time in Africa. New continent to tick off. We're flying to Morocco. We've got 12 days in Morocco, so this is the start of that. I'm very excited. We're doing a group tour around Morocco. We're flying to Marrakech. We've got a few days in Marrakech. Then we go to Ouarzazate, I want to say. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but Ouarzazate. Then we go to the Sahara Desert. We've got a few exciting things booked. And then we go to Fez and to Rabat. And back to Marrakech to fly home. But yeah, we're leaving today. Our train is at 10:20 down to Stansted. I'm meeting Emma at the train station because I'm going with Emma. Yeah, flying from Stansted. A flight is not till 4:40, I want to say, this afternoon. So we've got plenty of time to get down there, get some dinner. We haven't got big luggage. We've literally just packed into cabin bags, which I don't know how I've done it, but I've smashed it, really. Pat yourself on the back. So yeah, buzzing about that. But yeah, this is the start of the Moroccan journeys. Proceed. Here we go. Here we are. Oh, bloody hell. Got a cider. Half a pint of cider. Coke. Jokes. I got pulled up in security. A, because she had to pat me down and search me, as always, and B, because I didn't drink the water in my bottle. So me and Emma had to down it. So that was fun. We're now getting dinner. Lunch. We've got a long wait.
We got a long
wait. There we are, right at the door.
Long way from home.
Thank God for that. It fits, and it just smashed it. There she is.
Oh my gosh, what is going on?
We're right.
That's this one.
Oh dear.
Oh dear me.
Oh dear.
It's not my day.
There she is. All that stressing, they didn't even check. Too bad I win. Concentration on your face. In Morocco, in Africa. We made it to the hostel for the night. Emma's bed, my bed, grandma's bed, baby's bed. Obviously it's very dark so you can't really see, but this is our accommodation for the night. We're just gonna go down for some dinner. Got a rooftop up there, oh my god. Yum 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 yum. There's an overview of the trying to get the gram. A very B-Tech version of what you just did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Whoa! You're going way too fast.
It's currently 8 a.m.
8:30. We round up.
8:21.
We don't say 8:21.
This is our room.
This is our outfit check. Shoulders are out. Linen trousers are
Oh,
on.
Joe Sugg. Sorry.
Have you seen those TikToks where it's like you get a message, you're doing a video, and then you get a message from someone you shouldn't,
And they're like,
Brooks, room tour.
ooh, that was nice. Hang on. There we go. Even.
Okay, this is our welcome to my crib.
Here we
This
go.
is my bed, that's bed, lockers, we've got a little shelf, light, 4 people, no one else is in this room.
At the minute.
10 mirrors, 4 girls, it's a dream.
Windows galore. Bathroom. Oh. Here we go. Bathroom. Lush. Right, I need a wee. We're inside. Wow. Wait. Oh my god. We've got a lot. Oh my god.
Different time.
I'm like, yes.
So this is the gardens by the cafe, and it is just stunning. I think it's a museum as well, but the architecture is incredible. All the rugs. This room is full of them. Wow. I think I may be already burnt. My face and my head are a bit touchy.
Isn't bad.
Right, I've just got this. I just got conned. Lexi paid 200 dirham. I paid 500, which is £40. So
This is why
I'm
it's
not
good
buying
to know
anything
the
else.
conversion rate.
Yeah, oops. Dinner for the night. Wow.
Oh my god.
Spot of dreams.
Yeah, I did take a selfie. Drinks menu. Say less.
Wow. This is my dinner. Roast potatoes. We're now back at the
And it's
hostel.
like nice and like plain.
Nice little sunset going on. Taking more pickies. We've been on the beer. Jokes, we have not really.
You crack me up every time.
One day someone will actually believe me. This is the hostel. How cute. Beautiful. Good morning, breakfast time. It's the next day. We've come down to the hostel for breakfast. I don't know what this is, but we've made it to our activity. Anyway, we've made it to pottery painting. It's not pottery painting. They do all sorts here though. They do like embroidery and everything. We're on this. I know that much. Whether you do that and then paint it, I don't know. But look how cute. No, I mean it's a 2-hour session. So, I mean who knows, we'll see. Very cute. Look at that.
And I'm definitely going all the way through, which I don't think you're supposed to do.
Get it again.
No, I just am.
Oh.
I'm side questing.
Okay.
It's hot as shit.
Is it minty?
Yeah, minty.
Concentration face on me. Who knows?
Okay, I'm done with mine.
Oh no.
I don't.
Oh. It's a bit wonky that way. Oh, the handle's wonky.
Yeah, that handle's stressing mine. I think I'm done.
Oh!
Try to fix your hands like this.
Like this? Right.
At one time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want that for my yogurt in the morning. Back at the hostel, time for some dinner. Interesting. Healthy. We're now on the move, heading to the next hostel to meet this group. Found the hostel, just about. Ah, we're in. Wow. It's alrighty.
That should be good fun.
We've got some bread for starters. This is really spicy.
Does anyone have a clear here?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much.
She looks beautiful.
Bye.
She smells amazing. Dinner for my child.
The child is eating.
That looks like
Rice
good
and
rice.
chips.
That looks like
Look,
healthy
these
rice.
chips are nice. That's all that matters.